lovely day it is today. Now everyone's working. I just have everything on earth and everything calm and quiet. And also, I just have everything under control. Hey, Amy. Oh, what's up, Whoo-Hoo? How you doing? I'm doing well. Whoo-Hoo, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Whoa, Whoo-Hoo. What happened to you? I don't know. I was just I just woke up like this. Whoa. I mean, do you really? Yeah. I was just getting ready to see you, and after having hiccups. Oh. So you have the hiccups, huh? Yeah. Oh. Trust me, Whoo-Hoo. When I was your age, I got the hiccups too. You do? Yeah. But now you got the hiccups. Yeah. Oh. Hey, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. Everyone gets hiccups sometime. I know. It's kind of frustrating. Yeah. It is frustrating. Even so for that. How can you get rid of hiccups? Well, also, when I was just get rid of my hiccups, I always drink water and take a breath and breathe out. And also, only one thing I want to say to you. What's that, gaming? I was talking about, what was I saying? What was that again? Well, hold on, Woo-Hoo. I'm just thinking. Gaming? Are you feeling okay? A little, wait. I'm thinking here. I was saying is... What was that for, gaming? You almost gave me a heart attack. I was trying to scare you there, Woo-Hoo. I mean, seriously. I mean, that works, doesn't it, for hiccups? You know, it kind of worked, gaming. Think of her. Oh, that kind of worked. Well, that didn't work. Jeez. You trying to scare me again, are you? Oh, no. I'm not going to try to scare you. And besides, I'm not going to try that again because I know you're just a baby star. Yeah, for that one. Woo-Hoo. Hey, that poor Explorer Star got the hiccups. Yeah, poor me. Oh, that poor Explorer Star. Well, there was only one option to do. What's that? Well, I'm going to get you a drink of water. Oh, speaking of which, here is one right now. Drinking from a big gulp? Where'd you get it from? 7-Eleven? Hey, whoa, calm down, Woo-Hoo. I'm trying to help you. I know. I'm kind of frustrated. Now, Woo-Hoo, drink it slowly, and I'll hold the cup, and then you do your best. Okay. Oh, that feels much better. Yeah, water always helps. How do you feel? I feel a little... Oh, dear. I guess drinking water doesn't help. All right. Now for the last step. The last step? Scaring me ain't gonna work, and drinking water ain't gonna work. What else? Taking a breath. Taking a breath? Yeah. Oh, how can I get rid of my hiccups? You come to the right trick or treat guy there, Woo-Hoo. So, you have to hold your breath. Okay. For at least, let me think here. You trying to scare me again? No, I'm not going to scare you again. It will be hilarious if I scare you. If I have a mask, then that will be hilarious. Let's see. I got it now. Let's see. Let's just say for over 20 seconds. 20 seconds? That takes longer than that. I know, but it might help you get rid of your hiccups. Yeah, you got a point right there. It's worth a shot. Ready? Just follow what I do. Okay. Okay, hold your breath. All right, Woo-Hoo. Breathe out. That is taking longer than that. Yeah, I know, Woo-Hoo. I know. So, did you get rid of your hiccups? Huh? Hey, no more hiccups. Get me. Oh, this is so freaking frustrating. Ah. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Scaring ain't working, drinking water ain't working, and holding your deep breath ain't gonna be working. Well, there's gotta be something. Well, is there something else? Well, there is something, Woo-Hoo. Oh, jeez. I'm out of ideas, Woo-Hoo. Besides, all I do is just chill, relax in my favorite thinking chair. And now, here you are, having hiccups. Yeah, I know, gaming. Oh. I know. It sounds frustrating. But also, you gotta have to work on it. Besides, the hiccups right there. Oh, I got an idea. Hey, Woo-Hoo. Woo-Hoo. Peekaboo. Woo-Hoo. Oh. Well, playing peekaboo ain't gonna work. Oh, what else? What else it is? And besides, helping you, Woo-Hoo, is besides this, is because all this is like helping you get rid of your own hiccups. How can I do that? Well, is there any friends that can help? Well, they're a little bit busy right now, but I'm the only one available. Besides, Woo-Hoo, I don't know what else I can do right now. But also, Woo-Hoo, I don't know what to do now. You gotta be something, gaming. Oh. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, Woo-Hoo. I really am. Oh, that's okay. It's not your fault. You tried your best. I did try my best. Oh. Dang, are you kidding me? Dang it. Hey, Woo-Hoo. Hey, give me that measuring tape right there. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. Oh, that's really heavy. Get used to it, Whoo-Hoo. Get used to it. I got it, I got it. Ow! That's not what I meant! I'm sorry, Gammy. What's wrong, Whoo-Hoo? Are you feeling sick or something? Well, at least I got my measuring stick. I mean, at least I got my measuring tape. What's so funny, Whoo-Hoo? I'm sorry, Gammy. I didn't mean to laugh at you. What do you mean? Just dropping this on me? Oh, you think you're funny, huh? I'm sorry. I'm just... Oh my God, very funny, Woo. Quit laughing at me. I'm sorry. Are you finished? Yeah, I'm really finished. Oh. Wait a minute. Gaming? What? Are you gonna laugh at me again? No, really, Gaming. My hiccups. They're gone. Really? Oh, well, you know, your hiccups are gone. What got rid of your hiccup? Well, it might have been when I dropped that measuring tape to you, and then I accidentally dropped it in your head. I thought it was hiccuping. I laughed. Wait a minute. I mean, really, seriously. So, laughing, it helped? Yeah. Well then. Well, that got rid of your hiccups. Well, that's right here, just landed on my head. Then also, you accidentally dropped it by accident. Yeah, I accidentally dropped it. I'm sorry, Gammy. No, I don't have to be sorry for yelling at you. That's alright. At least my hiccups are gone. That's good. That's a good thing. Wonderful. Well, at least I don't need this no more. Alright, Woo-Hoo. Why don't you go ahead, have some fun, and do what you're told. Okay. I'll see you later, Gaming, and thank you. Thank you very much. Aw. Well, you're welcome, Woo-Hoo. I mean, that's what friends are for. Yeah. Woo-Hoo. Got rid of his hiccups. Oh, great. Just great. Now I got the hiccups. Oh. Oh, man. Dang it. Oh, my God, dude. Ugh.